Introducing MelaSense, a product to target melanoma progression with precision.
Did you know that there are nearly 20 million new cases of cancer a year? It is estimated that there will be approximately 200,000 cases of melanoma diagnosed this year in the United States alone, as the fifth most common cancer and one of the most easily caused cancers. Or that 40% of cancer patients report financial difficulty with treatment. Nodular melanoma is a highly aggressive form of skin cancer which is difficult to monitor and manage, especially in areas with limited access to healthcare resources.
Nodular melanoma is complex, and monitoring patients using molecular markers is elusive. Patients in remote villages from underdeveloped countries cannot afford expensive exams nor visit hospitals and clinics timely, limiting doctors' ability to track the results or assess the adequacy of therapy. Imagine, a loved one just got diagnosed with melanoma. The hospital is hours away with no way of getting there. Even if you did manage to arrive, the finances of the treatment are an unbearable burden to you and your family. Hi, I'm Anjana Goli.
And I'm Ananya Goli. And together we're the team of MelaSense.
With MelaSense, we aim to change this. Our product MelaSense reduces the cost of cancer treatment in comparison to traditional methods. It also eases the stress of waiting for the results. With MelaSense, you can know your results quickly and accurately. MelaSense gives patients affordable, quality healthcare at their fingertips, avoiding the need for long commutes to hospitals, and allows them to be remotely connected to their doctors 24/7.
Our product is able to differentiate patients who have a higher risk of melanoma progression using an aptamer to detect aggressive cells from the tumor. This technology provides a follow-up process for disease progression in underdeveloped countries, remote areas, and small hospitals or clinics that don't have structure to provide complex exams. The biosensor data collection is easily handled by the user and can be used immediately with almost no processing. The biosensor has at least 95% sensitivity and specificity.
MelaSense has competition from traditional melanoma detection methods, including biopsies, histopathological analyses, imaging techniques such as MRI and PET scans, and genetic testing. These approaches are expensive, invasive, and time-consuming, making them less accessible. While they have high accuracy, they are not good for widespread, low-cost, or immediate detection. Additionally, there are potential alternatives such as liquid biopsies and circulating tumor DNA, or ctDNA, testing that detect cancer markers non-invasively through blood samples. These technologies are still costly, complex, and not widely available. MelaSense is different by having an affordable, non-invasive, and portable solution using saliva samples to detect melanoma cells with Notch1 mutations.
Our current market are people in remote areas who currently have progression of melanoma but struggle to access the care they need. These people would benefit from the portable, accurate, and low-cost care MelaSense can offer. Our first tier of non-customer are people or families of people with cancer who cannot find treatment. These people are inclined to find novel treatments that are easier to use. Our second tier are people who are currently undergoing typical cancer treatment. These people might not be inclined to look for new treatment because they have the capability and access to current treatment. However, MelaSense popularization can push these people too. And lastly, our third and last tier are people who don't have cancer or any relatives with it.
First and foremost, Ananya has conducted detailed scientific research on the Notch1 gene and authored our research review paper. Our team then created a prototype to depict the design of the biosensor and further curated the MelaSense website to offer an integrated platform experience to our patients, doctors, and the hospitals and clinics. We have identified a cancer clinic along with its affiliated research center in India to support our research project.
We are building a Simulink model of the sensor in MATLAB, incorporating protein binding dynamics while generating simulation results, integrating a mobile app to visualize the sensor's impedance changes.
The team is building the biosensor and doing wet lab experimentation. Our goal is to test a simple version of the sensor and utilize machine learning to enhance the sensor's detection capabilities.
The top revenue streams that MelaSense will offer upon distribution are 1. Subscription-based sales models, 2. Collaborations with NGOs or different health programs, 3. Bulk sales and data analytics that MelaSense will offer, and finally, distributions to different pharmacies and hospitals.
The main costs that MelaSense will have to incur are buying raw materials and delivery costs, regulatory approval costs, patents and property protection costs, and financial investment costs.
By creating a product that is budget-friendly, accessible, and reliable, we are opening up a new market and furthering our mission of unlocking quality healthcare for everybody around the globe. But why is this important?
Because no one deserves poor healthcare during times of need. When illness comes, the last thing a person should face is financial strain or anxiety about their treatment options.
Join us today
to revolutionize melanoma detection
and make it available for all.